Hello friends, headless commerce is a future of e-commerce in which the front-end and back-end are decoupled. The front-end part of the website interacts with customers, and the back-end part manages inventory, orders, and payments to build a website using any other technology. By decoupling the front-end and back-end systems, companies can easily change their website or online store without affecting the back-end systems. For example, if you have an e-commerce store with headless commerce, you can buy products directly from your website. This technique also allows business owners to use reducing technologies to improve their online experience without worrying about software problems. It gives companies more control and flexibility over their e-commerce platform, allowing them to provide a more personalized customer experience. Finally, headless commerce can make it easier to scale a website, and Webnexs Headless Commerce can help you expand your brand worldwide. Link in description. Please sign up for the link, and our Webnexs experts will contact you and help you increase sales and revenue. Thanks for watching.